Hi, my name is Ziah, and welcome to Self-Care Sunday. Today I'm going to be following yet another Bob Ross painting tutorial. I think this is my third time doing this, which means that this is the longest running series on my channels. The last two times haven't been that great, but I think I've really been studying the techniques. I went out and spent a ton of money on just like the right supplies and everything. So I think this will be it. I got myself an easel this time, so you will be able to see it, but also I'm probably going to turn this towards me. I'm just getting started because these videos typically have over like 2 hours of footage, and I really don't want to go through all of that. So the episode that I'm going to be following today is Shades of Grey, which is Season 2, Episode 4. And the reason I'm doing that is because it only uses 3 colors. So like it was honestly a win-win for me as somebody who gave away all their oil painting supplies twice because they thought they would never do one of these videos again. So before the beginning of all of his paintings, he does a nice wash of this like white. And what I learned was that this white isn't just white paint, it's a thinned white paint. Also, this thinner that I bought said that it was odorless. It's totally not odorless. I walked in here and it smelled so bad. It's not like a chemically smell, it's like kind of smells like fish or like old frying oil. That's what it smells like. Probably very specific and nobody probably knows what that smells like, but that's what it smells like. Having this cheated out is nice. I'm going to try to for as long as possible. But I think one of the reasons also that my paintings weren't as great is because Bob Ross does paint standing up and I don't, and hopefully I enjoy oil painting because I really like the idea of it, and I think if I had the right supplies it would be a lot of fun, but if I don't have the right supplies then it's not fun, it's awful, I hate it. So hopefully we didn't mess this up this time. So I'm gonna start listening now because we got that base coat down. Went on a lot easier than the last couple times, so that's improvement. I mean, he uses a blue and a brown to make this gray color, and while I was at the store, there was literally like a gray color, and I was, oh my god, no, that's straight oil. That's not the right brush. So, we're just kind of making a sky right now. For this other side, I'm going to turn it towards me, so I'm sorry if you can't see this. I don't really know what to say. Today, I'm just having a me day. Lost my fan brush. Nope, here it is. And then we take a fan brush, we basically take a little bit more of that color that we made, and we kind of give them a little bit more definition in the front. I'm just working on the sky right now. There's nothing too interesting that's going on, like I promise. So yeah, I had a very interesting week. So I kind of raced the clock, got everything that I had to get done, like for the weekend, like all homework and everything, yesterday, and then I was like, oh, I'm gonna have a me day today. And that's what I'm doing right now, and it feels weird, honestly. I don't think I've taken a day to myself since about summer of 2017. So it feels weird just like literally waking up this morning and having like absolutely like not nothing to do, but like kind of like nothing to do. But it feels nice. I definitely feel a little recharged. I think I'm having like burnout just from like life, like not really anything in particular, but also kind of just like life. All right, here's how the sky's come along so far. If you could see that, I think they're looking pretty good. There's a bunch of hairs that are shedding from this brush, and normally I try and get them out and then I ruin the painting. I'm just not even gonna worry about it this time. It's all cool, it's fine. I'm having a me day today. I'm gonna add a little bit more definition up here and just kind of continue going through and adding definition. Honestly, I kind of have high hopes for this. Like I really do. Like I know I'm always saying like, oh, keep your expectations low so then like nothing can disappoint you. And like that's true, but like also I really don't want to be disappointed by this because I feel like I've never done any kind of art thing on this channel that like really warrants me calling myself an artist. Third time's the charm, hopefully. I don't want to get too cocky. I've literally just done the sky, but like looks good to me. Turn this like this, and so do the mountains on this side. Hello. I've only been working on this for about 6 hours, but I am finished. Time for the big reveal. It's done. Here it is. Da-da-da-da. Here is my version of Bob Ross's original painting idea that absolutely none of this came from me. It was literally just like copying exactly what Bob Ross is doing. As you can see here, there's like a ton of hair that fell off into the sky, and I'm just gonna leave it there, but like don't stand too close to it because it's kind of gross. Here's it from a close. Here's the mountains, here's the trees, here's the little house down there, and those are the bushes that I overworked. Really proud of this. Like, super proud of this, actually. It's a success. Happy self-care day. So like I just said, I've been working on this since 3 o'clock this afternoon, and it's now 9. So a total of 6 hours of my self-care day was spent on this, and honestly, I had a great time. I think that what made this particularly special and why I wasn't liking it in the beginning and then I started liking it was the fact that I felt that I had to roll the camera, and because I was on camera I felt the need to say something all the time, and I felt the need to be rushing because I don't want to go through the footage. Simply just cutting the camera for like 5.5 hours just really allowed me to take my time, do whatever I wanted to do. I listened to a ton of music. I just had a great time. Like, this honestly was a successful self-care day. The first video I did where I followed Bob Ross painting tutorial, I thought it turned out pretty good. And here it was. Like, it turned out okay, but like this turned out, I feel like, a lot better. I mean, not gonna lie. So, improvement, growth, that's what we strive for on this channel. So some of the pros on this was definitely in the beginning, I was following exactly what he was doing, so you could tell in like the mountains and the sky and like the trees and stuff, I think looked great, fantastic. I think part of the areas where it started to get a little messy was kind of the foreground stuff like the bushes and even the house, because I was just trying to go rogue and put a little too much paint on there. And here's the thing with oil paint, if you put too much on there, can't really work with it. It's done. I am very happy with it. I feel like this is like my child. I don't know. So overall, successful self-care day, successful painting. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to go down there and hit that like button, and also consider subscribing. I promise things aren't this choppy. I think with this, I just wanted to take my time, and my time was 6 hours, and you would not want to watch me paint for 6 whole hours. When I bought this canvas, it came in a value pack of like 6, so chances are there will be other videos like this or very similar to this coming soon. Other than that, I'm going to go now. I hope you had a wonderful day. I had a great day. It was my self-care day. Fantastic. Definitely 10 out of 10. Would recommend you do one of these. I feel so relaxed. It's about 9 o'clock and I'm gonna exercise and then head off to bed at a normal time. Bye!